Good day, viewers. I remind myself again. Otemu Ogeneyerowo. Teaching on YouTube. I encourage you who have not yet subscribed to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Maths Success. I have dealt with fraction, regard multiplication and division. Now I'm talking about algebraic fraction. In this algebraic fraction, it has to do with alphabet. Now, the first thing we are going to talk about in algebraic fraction is to reduce the fraction to its lowest term. Before me on the board, I have 3 examples. So let me take one. Number 1, we said 15a square b raised to power 3 all over 30a raised to power 3 b raised to the power of 2. Solution. 15a square b3 over 30a cube b square. Now you think of a common term that can divide the numerator and the denominator. Now 15, we go here 1. 15 into 32. We have a raised to power 2. We have a raised to power 3. Law of indices. You can apply law of indices. This one, we cancel these 2. 3, you are left with 1. So we have 1a here. This one is raised to power 2. We cancel this, you are left with 1. So the one will remain at the numerator is b. Over 2a. Over 2a. That is number 1. Number 2. Number 2 says b raised to the power of 2 minus 16 all over b raised to the power of 2 again minus 4b. Solution. This b raised to the power 2 minus 16 over b raised to the power 2 minus 4b. If you look at the numerator, we have a negative sign here. Here is b square, here is 16. 16 is a perfect square. So we can find the square root of 16. Perfect square are 9, 4, 9, 16, 25, and the rest of them. So I will now apply difference of 2 square at the numerator, which means b minus 4, because 4 times 4 gives us 16. I will bracket it. The other one will be b plus 4. So in difference of 2 square, one of the bracket will be negative, the other will be positive. Look at b times b square, minus 4 times minus 4, minus 16. Now, we will now factorize the denominator. Now, if I don't do denominator, you bring what is common out. B is common. If I bring b out, b minus 4 is not common. B minus 4 is not common. This will cancel this. So you are left with b plus 4 over b. That is number 2. So let's do number 3. Let's do number 3. Which says that x raised to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 16 all over x raised to the power 2 minus 7x plus 12. All right, what do we do? Let us factorize both the numerator both the numerator and denominator. Let us factorize both the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is x raised to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 16. Okay, some people don't know how to factorize. This is another way to teach you factorization. You will now use the last term, which is plus 16, to multiply the first term. So we give us 16x squared. Two numbers you will multiply. That will give you 16. I can say 16 times 1, but you must get this 8. So let me use 4x and 4x. What is the sign that come here is a negative value. So the two numbers will be negative. This will give me minus 8x, which is also the center value. So now, x squared, in place of minus 8x, I'm putting these two values, which is minus 4x plus what? 16. So we can now factorize by grouping. So here will be x squared minus 4x plus 16. So I will put this minus inside that bracket. So when you factorize, you bring what is common out in the first bracket. What is the common term is x. X is now minus 4 is not common. Minus 4 is common there. Then x minus 4 again is not common. You pick outside the bracket, which is x minus 4. Take note, the two brackets must be the same. Another word, x minus 4. So therefore, the answer, when you factorize, you get x minus 4. The denominator, which is now x squared minus 7x plus what? 12. I will use the last term again to multiply the first term, which will give us 12x squared. The two numbers you multiply, that will give you 12. I can say 6 times 2. If I say 6 and 2, minus 6 minus 2 give us minus 8. It will not work. So I want to take minus 3x and minus 4x to give us minus 7 what? X. So when if you infuse this value in the place of this, you have x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus what? 12. Now, when you factorize by grouping, what is common in the first bracket is x. What is not common is x minus 3. What is common in the second bracket is minus 4. What is not common is x minus 3. So you now take outside the bracket, which is x, this x minus 4 bracket, these two are the same, x minus 3. So which implies that x squared minus 8x plus 16 all over x squared minus 7x plus 12 is what we've got here. The first one here is x minus 4 and x minus 4. That is what we got here. Then the other one is now, the second factorization gives us x minus 4, and here is another x minus 3. So in that place, you will now look what is common. X minus 4 can cancel x minus 4. So our final answer is x minus 4 over x minus 3. So that is how we can reduce that to the lowest term.